In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock people on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go into menu and then hit Add that gear to open up settings. On settings, tap Add profile settings, and that's where you can easily find blocking. You can just tap on it and that will show you the list of all Facebook profiles that you have blocked. In order to unblock someone, just hit Add Unblock button next to username, just like that, and then unblock again. That's it. I have just unblocked someone on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.